Look at that. I can't believe it.
This one has excellent color saturation.
Yes, but the inclusions are too prominent for a high grade.
Using the microprobe, we capture the characteristic trace element profile, confirming the unique signature of this Colombian emerald.
Sedução. Sabemos liczyniwie. Pewniczny getes licyc wielkich sztynes nansrysie. Notis systie.
Look closely at this facet here. It's identical to the inclusion photo.
The refraction patterns are conclusive. It's the same stone. This particular stone, as you can see, captures the light in a way few emeralds can. It's quite exceptional.
It's breathtaking.
Yeah.
Absolutely stunning.
500 por estos. Son los mejores de la mesa. No, busco 600. Sabes que valen más.
How much for the parcel?
We need at least 5,000 per carat.
I can offer 4 localized.
Review the valuation data on the main portfolio display. The investment-grade stones are holding steady despite the market fluctuation.
I have 90 million. 90 million going once, 90 million going twice. Sold for 90 million!
Look here, the 1605 manifest confirms the shipment. And this entry matches the description of the uncut stones.
We begin with the raw geological beauty, tracking the emerald's path through pre-Columbian history to these exquisite contemporary designs.
The EBSD analysis workstation allows us to map the crystal structures, revealing the secrets of their formation history.
This sequence tracks the cutting loss analysis, comparing pre-cutting weight measurements with the final yield calculation documentation. This emerald shows minor abrasion along the girdle, consistent with a 19th century setting, but the pavilion facets are largely intact.
The historical price charts confirm the trend.
Yes, but look closely at the record result per carat analysis. That changes the valuation significantly. The resemblance to the Colombian yield is extraordinary.
The optical purity exceeds expectations for this run.
The ray tracing confirms the pavilion angles are optimized for maximum brilliance.
What about the girdle reflection percentage?
We've verified the environmental compliance data.
And the sourcing documentation aligns with our standards.
I'll finalize the report summary now.
Notice the distinct red flash in the Colombian stones under the Chelsea filter, while the Zambian material remains inert. The decision on how to use the social investment funds must be made transparently, ensuring sustainable development for the whole community.
Watch the facet closely right there. You need to maintain consistent contact with the wheel for an even polish.
The clarity and the saturation of this emerald are absolutely exceptional. It captures the light perfectly.
Yes, it's set to highlight the natural brilliance of the stone.
The traceability from the mine is crucial for the market value.
Absolutely. This ensures the integrity of the supply chain for our international partners.
Here we see the journey in a single frame. The uncut crystal, side by side with the finished, faceted masterpiece it became.
These stones hold the memories of my youth in the mountains. Every facet tells a story.
We risked everything for them.
Observe the matrix here. This fracture line means we must adjust the angle of the primary facet, otherwise the tension will compromise the stone.